Good morning. It's October 6th, 2024. And today I am going to go get painting down at the Lewes Canalfront Park. I'm going to do an oil painting in plein air. And I'm going to go down to the same canal and the docks, and there's a few places I'd like to paint, and I'm gonna go see what I can find, what lighting situation is good. And right now it's 9:30 in the morning. It's 60 degrees. It's going up to 73 today, but it's beautiful. It feels great. No clouds in the sky. I'd rather have clouds. Maybe this afternoon or later on around noontime, some clouds will come in. But I'm excited, I'm ready to go. I'm gonna get some painting in today, so let's go do this. All right, I got my supplies all loaded up. I got my easel here, my French easel, my backpack full of paints and brushes, and my wet painting carrier. So that's all I need. All right, let's go do this. All right, we are here. I'm going to take a quick walk around and see what I think is the best view this morning. Just do a nice painting. The water is very calm today, and high tide is around 11:30 this morning. I checked the tidal charts. Those nice reflections. It's very high. This usually steps down. It's going up. Beautiful. Got all those nice reflections of the boats. Got a lot of nice textures here. Got the grass, got the rocks, got the water, got some boats in there. I'm sure there'll be plenty more boats coming through. I could zero in right on the area right here. That would be great. Maybe a little over, like that. Maybe I'll do something like that. That's pretty good. Right here in this spot. All right, well, I'm all set up. I got my palette ready, easel, canvas board. It's 12 by 16 inches. Brushes, paint. I'm going to paint this scene right here. I'm going to get those pylons on, the dock that's there. Some waves, maybe that bird, maybe some fishermen will come in a little while. But for now I'm going to lay in the burnt sienna tone and get my canvas, knock out that white, and then I'm going to draw in the scene. So that's first. So let's get started. All right, I got my canvas toned. Now, why do we do this? Why do we do that burnt sienna? Because it's actually an opposite color on the color wheel of these blues, and it's like a yellow orange, and there's going to be a lot of purples and blues in this scene. So it's a good contrast and makes it colors a little bit more lively. Some people don't believe in doing that, but I do. I think it works well and helps the harmony. But, all right, I'm gonna get started now drawing this in, putting in the shapes, big shapes. All right, well, I got the scene sketched in. Looking pretty good. Proportions I think are right. Got a boat in there. Put that in. I'll have to remember that. And clouds are moving in. I'm happy about that. I want to get some nice clouds in today. That'd be great. So let's start laying in the sky some colors. All right, so I got a helper today. He's helping me put in the blue. for the water up there. You can go pretty fast. You can just scrub it in there. Go back and forth. There you go. Don't get the boat.
Trying my best.
Try and get some of this here, down here. Okay, now switch to the green.
Okay.
This dark green. That's okay. You don't have to wash it out. It's all going to mix together. Get some of this green down here and right in here, right in this spot. I need some there and there. Maybe a little darker. There you go. Oh, it's looking good. Make it look wavy. There we want the waves. Very nice. Oh, that's a great color. I'm loving it. I'm just going to sit here. She can finish the whole painting on it. You're doing great.
I am.
Yeah. All right. I think I'll take it from here.
Okay.
But thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks for letting me.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
All right. Well, have a good day.
Bill's confidence. There you go.
And the boat. Just scrubbing it in. Get those values in there. Yep, scrub it in there. Oh, I see some nice waves going by. That's really nice. I love those waves. Oh boy, got a boat about to leave, a big one. That's the horn. It's about to leave the dock there. That's the warning. Put that in there. There we go. Need it dark. Need it dark there, right there. There we go. Just like that. Scrub it in. Looking good. There we go. That might be a little too dark, but you know what? Because I'm painting with the sun on my picture, values tend to come out lighter, so I have to compensate and put the paint down a little bit darker. I'm just going to go right over that. That's a sailboat and the mast. I can draw that back in. Look at that nice blue right there. You see that dark blue right in there? Between the clouds, it's almost a pure blue. I got to get some more paint squirted out. All right, just a minute. All right, I got the blue. This blue here reminds me of when I was at the painting in the Smoky Mountains back in May. And look how rich that blue is up in that sky there. It's almost cobalt blue, but I don't want to go too dark, and I don't want to go too light. It's got to be just right. So let's see if we can get this color in here. Bring some of this blue in here, right? I like that blue. Some over here too. There we go. There we go. That's looking good. So we got the pink clouds. Got some of this here. And let's try to modulate that a little bit so it blends a little better. Where is my blender brush? That's what I want on a blender. So, here we go. Get this kind of smoothed out. There we go. There we go. Just like that. Smooth some of this out a little bit. Bob Ross taught me this technique. Just tickle it with a few hairs. We're gonna get this sky ready, and then we can put in the clouds once they move into the position there. I want to pull some of this down into down to here. There we go. Pull some of this down to here. Let's put in some of those trees in the background now. I see those as a very dark shape. Some red in there. There's some yellow in there. Some green. Let's see what we can do here. It's also receding into space. We want to use our atmospheric perspective to get it to fall back. So we'll do a little bit of everything going back there. Let's see what we can do here. Right now I just have to hold in my brush like this. Get some loose shapes in there. Down here a little bit. Water line. There we go. Gotta tap it in. Get the textures going in there, but let's try and warm it up a little bit. A little bit of yellow, a little bit of red. Let's see what we can do here. I want to capture some of that sun popping it in. Like the fall sky, the fall colors. See a little bit of red in there. See a little bit of red in there? I don't know if you can see it. I'd have to zoom in. But right now I'm just holding the camera still. But I see red in there. I'm going to put some red. Not too bright. See, by this big tree here, there's some warm bushes in there right before it runs off the page. I'm going to put some in here. All right? That's what I see. That's what I'm going to do, right in here. Go up the other way. Get a little texture going up. There we go. All right. Then there's some going across here like that. There's some out in the water right there too. And I see this shape over here with the grasses. It's really some dark greens in there. Let me get some dark greens in there. Let's see. All right. Let's work on the dock. All right, I'm gonna fade to black now, and we can get some work on this dock so I can use two hands. All right. Now I'm painting in the dock over there, and I know that the sky is reflecting off this metal dock, so it's much cooler and lighter. So I'm gonna make that lighter and cooler. So let's see what I can do here. I see the shapes going like this, right? So let's do this one too. Ooh, it's really rocking. It's making me paint loose. Even though I'm trying to make it a little tighter. Get these boards in here. Guys hammering in the nails as I paint. Beautiful day though. It's very comfortable right now. Very nice. When I used to paint with those Disney background artists, they used to talk about how they painted with mud. Because everything is really a tertiary color. It has all those different colors in it. So I'm going to put this little warm color right there going across there, just like that. Yeah, I like that. All right, I'm going to start putting in some more details. Let me put the phone down. I'll be right back. All right, getting it all blocked in. I think that's the block end. Since we got started, we got some boats here, and a boat here, and some jet skis over here, an American flag. God bless America. But I decided to leave it as is. I cut out all these other boats in the background. Let's put in some trees back there. I'm gonna put in some of this brush over here, right? Put in some of the brush, the kayak launch area, and that's it. That's it. Got really windy today. All these boats today came and went, rocking the dock. It was a little bit crazy, trying to keep my balance. Trying to keep my brushes, and I better put this away before it falls into the water. So, take it home. Well, that's it. I did it. Thanks for coming along, watching. Had a great day today. It's been a long time since I went out and painted. I like coloring, but there's nothing like painting. Being out there with the people, with nature, with the elements, that mind-freeing experience where you just let everything go and it's probably why the reason I'm out here painting at all. So anyway, let's get going home. That's the end. Got a little paint on my face. Look at that. All right, I'm wearing it. But it was fun. It got really windy and the boats were rocking the dock. I thought I was going to fall off a few times. People came over and said hello. Lots of nice people coming over and saying hello and complimenting me. I appreciate that. Everyone that came over. A little girl who I let paint on my painting. That was fun. It was great. So that's it. It's been a good day. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.